Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link PayPal to QuickBooks Online, ensuring your financial data is always accurate and up to date. This direct integration streamlines your accounting process significantly, saving you valuable time each week by automating data entry. You will learn the straightforward, step-by-step process to securely connect these two essential financial platforms effectively, maximizing your efficiency. Begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online account and navigating to the Banking or Transactions menu on the left sidebar. From there, select Link Account or Add Account to start the process. You will then see an option to search for different financial institutions. Type PayPal into the search bar. This action will bring up the Secure Connection prompt for PayPal, initiating the crucial next step in your financial integration. After selecting PayPal, you will be securely redirected to the PayPal login page in a new window or tab. Enter your PayPal username and password to log in and review the requested permissions. QuickBooks Online will ask for authorization to view your transaction history, account balances, and other relevant financial data. Carefully review these details and click Agree and Connect to grant access, ensuring a seamless data flow between the platforms. Once connected, QuickBooks Online will begin importing your recent PayPal transactions, typically going back 90 days or more. You will need to review these transactions and assign them to the correct income and expense categories within your chart of accounts. This crucial step ensures that your financial reports accurately reflect your business activities. Take your time to map each transaction type appropriately for precise bookkeeping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.